Okay. Okay. Bruh. Alright YouTube, what's going on? It's your man Tech King Mike. I'm back again with another video. So, we already did a 24-hour later with the Pixel 3a XL. This is not another 24, 48 hour whatever later video. Man, listen. I had to talk to y'all real quick about the battery life on this thing, man. Bruh. I haven't seen a phone with battery life this good since the iPhone XR. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm trying to get my hands on that P30 Pro, and if the P30 Pro has better battery life than this, I'm straight on my iPhone. I ain't even gonna lie to you. I'm already kind of getting that a little bit, but it ain't all the way there just yet. You know, I still got to have the best of both worlds. But listen to me now. Listen to me now. I've had this phone off the charger since about 4:45 this morning, right? And last I checked, I'll throw the screenshot up here so y'all can see it for yourself, but I have 35% battery left on this thing right now. A full charge should last me 1 day and 7 hours with my current usage, and my screen usage since a full charge has been 6 hours and 6 minutes. Alright, let me tell you, that's 6 hours and 6 minutes of, number one, the whole Captain Marvel movie. That's the whole movie. Full brightness, HD, the whole Captain Marvel movie. Yes, I watch movies while I'm driving my truck. No, it's not dangerous. I just put the movie off on the side so I can just listen to it while I'm driving. Sue me. Second thing, it doesn't actually sue me. Second thing is I messed around and I put on Black Panther while I was getting unloaded. Because I, you know, truck driving, got my shipper was getting unloaded, so I'm sitting in the front seat of the truck, you know, I'm sitting there like this and stuff, and I figured, well, let me throw on another movie. So I was in a Marvel kind of mood. I threw on Black Panther. Bruh, again, 2 full movies, HD, screen brightness on 10, on max, yeah, all the way to Z, whatever, all the way up. Watched a couple YouTube videos on the way back from where I was at. Give you a little mindset of where I had to go. I had to drive 2 hours to where I went and 2 hours back, right? Had Spotify streaming the whole time on the way back. Not a song downloaded to this phone. I had them things streaming all the way to the crib. 2 hours, man. And then when I got where I had to go, I had to sit for 35 minutes until I could get done for the day. And then I still had about 30 minutes until I was done with all of that. So I literally went somewhere, and in 3.5 hours, this thing from 4:45 this morning up until now is still on 35%. It don't make sense. Alright, let me calm down. I'm turning into a hype beast. I'm turning into a hype beast right now. Let me calm down. Let me calm down. Let me woosah. Woosah. All I'm saying is, this might be a completely unnecessary video to you, but to me, look at me. The battery life on this thing is insane. Okay? And I know it's only after 2 days of usage, which means it may vary as I continue to use the phone. But here's the thing that impresses me though. That means it's gonna get better as I use the phone, right? That doesn't mean that it's gonna get worse. That means it's gonna get better as it continues to adapt to my usage. Now I've had a few social media. I've had a few things on social media today. Twitter has been fun today. That's all I'm gonna say. Very enlightening, but. Yeah, I've had a few things and stuff, and I mean, for the most part, this thing is kind of really showing me I'm not the user that I thought I was. Just flat out. I don't think I'm the user I think I am. But I'm gonna tell you what though, I'm glad I got this phone, and I'm glad that I'm actually giving it a chance again with an open mindset, because so far, I almost banged it with my ring. Let me edit that out. This thing is a certified gangster. Certified win. I mean, I have found myself reaching for this today more than I did for my iPhone. That has not happened since I had the Mate 20 Pro. So let that sink in for a second. It's your man Tech King Mike. I'm back again. Well, no, I already said I'm out. I will catch you guys in the next one. And yeah, I'm gonna throw that screenshot up one more time so y'all can see it before it's all said and done. Pixel 3a XL, man, pick it up. I ain't even gonna wait a whole week to tell you, man. Pick this thing up, bro. You looking for a cheap, good Android phone that gets the job done? Pick this phone up, man. Stop playing. I'm gonna holler at y'all.